Cindy. Let's learn English together. In today's lesson, we will be focusing on all the numbers from 20 to 100. The numbers 20 to 100 are really not as hard as they appear to be. If we think about it, we're using a lot of the numbers that we already learned when we are saying those numbers. So you guys remember learning the numbers 1 through 9 with me, right? So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So we said all those numbers from 1 to 9. And when we're saying the numbers from 20 to 100, those same numbers from 1 to 9 repeat. So we will hear them again when we're using numbers that are bigger, numbers that go from 20 all the way up to 100. And to tell you the truth, it all repeats when you get to numbers that are even larger, even bigger than that, the numbers that are past 100. When we are looking at the number 20, for example, if we had to go to the next number that comes after 20, we would say 21. 21. Do you hear how that number 1 is being repeated in that number? We're just seeing the number that's the 20, which is in the tens place. And then we're saying the 1. The same thing we would say for number 22. You hear the number 2 being repeated. Number 23. Again, guys, you hear that 3 coming back up, right? Again, that's 1, 2, 3, and all we did was put the 20 in front. So we had 21, 22, 23, 24, right? What do you think is going to come next? 25. Good. 25. Then there's 26. 26. After 27. 27. And then 28. 28. 29. 29. And then we're moving because we're getting to that 10 now, right? We're not going to say 10. We're going to go to the next number, which would be 30, right? 30. 30. Guys, it really is a cycle that repeats. It comes back over and over again, right? So we had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it keeps repeating. The only thing that's changing is that number in the tens place, whether it's a 20 or a 30, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the tens numbers. And because we know the numbers from 1 to 9, we won't necessarily have to go over it again because we know those numbers, right? But I'm going to tell you this, when we're doing our quiz, I'm going to give you some challenge ones where I give you numbers that have that 1 to 9 in there, all right? Okay, so I'm going to show you an example, of course, before, and then we're going to try. So let's keep going. So we did our 20. We got up to 30, 30, 30. All right, we're going to jump to the next 10. So we said 20, 30, and now we're at 40, 40, 40. 40 is 40. All right, let's keep going. Now we're taking 10 more. 50, 50, 50. 50 is 50. Let's take 10 more. 60, 60. 60 is 60. 60. Okay, let's take 10 more. 70, 70. 70. 70 is 70. All right, let's take 10 more. 80, 80, 80. 80 is 80. All right, let's take 10 more. 90, 90, 90. 90 is 90. All right, and now we went through all, right? From 2, we did 10 the other time, so from 2 all the way up to 9, right? Now we're up to the 10, which would make it to 100. So we're going to say 100, 100, 100. Great job, guys. We have gotten all the numbers from 20 upward to 100. And remember, if we have to say a number that is with like a number 22 or 32, we can hear the 30 and 2. 32. So I know that I'm going to need a 3 for 30 and a 2. So that would make my 32, right? If I said the number 45, 45, I hear 40, I hear 4, and I hear 5. 45, 4, and 5. And I make my 45. If I say the number 60, 60, then you know I'm going to need a 6 and a 0. Because I didn't say any other numbers from 1 to 9 after, right? I just said 60. So it's a 6 and a 0, okay? I think you guys got it. I know that you're going to do great on this quiz. We're going to keep it short. We're only going to do 3 questions. So let's see how you do, all right? Your first number is 70. 70. How do I make the number 70? 70. 70. 70. 70 is a 7 and a 0. 70. Good job, guys. Let's try another one. Your next number is 52. 52. 52. What numbers would I need to make 52, right? So you're going to need that 5, of course, and you're going to need a 2. Good job, guys. You're going to need a 5 and a 2 to make 52. Good job, 52. All right, here is your last example. And I think I'm going to throw in one more just because I want to see if you can read a number that I put up there, okay? All right, here's your next number. Your number is 89. 89. 89. 89. What numbers do you think you need to make 89? 89. I thought I was going to be able to fool you, but I'm not. There it is. It's a 8 and a 9. You hear 89, a 8 and a 9. Great job. I know I told you I was going to give you 3 questions, but I have to throw in this one more question here. So I'm going to put up a number. You guys only have to do is read the number, okay? So here it is. You see the number? Can you read that number for me? Read that number for me. Read that number for me, please. I knew I couldn't trick you. That's right. That number is 27. 27. 27. Good job, guys. Guys, you guys did awesome today. I'm so happy that you stopped by to join me as we learn some bigger numbers. Please use them as you talk with others. Practice them. And I can't wait to see you guys again soon so we can continue learning English together. See you soon.